So here we have these ELE GRP screwless wall plates. These are the 2-gang plates in matte black, but you can also get them in a few different sizes as well as the color white. Here's how they come right out of the box. They have this plastic around them to protect them from scratches. They come with a little baggie of 4 screws. Then if we flip it over, this piece here is what you're going to screw on to the outlet. And then you can clip this plate here right over the top. And to get it undone, of course, this is going to be against the wall, but there's these 2 notches here, and you just stick a screwdriver in there and pry it out. It is a little bit difficult to pop off, but it works. I use these covers all around my house. I think they look really nice. You can see here's the 3-gang cover as well. And then of course the single covers. I really like these. They have a nice simple modern design, matte black. I also really like how this cover plate is 1 piece. This is a cover from a different brand right here, and you can see it's 2 pieces. I'm not a huge fan of this because it's not seamless and dust collects in there, and then it just doesn't look nice. And of course these are just your standard size. They're about 1 1/4 inches by 2 5/8. That should fit any rectangle outlet or switch you want to use them on. And yeah, they look great. They're pretty simple to install, and overall, I'm really happy with them.